Good morning, guys. Today is my birthday. I'm 28 today. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna fully get myself together. We're gonna wash this hair, do my makeup, and basically I'm gonna go from 0 to 100. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to brush my hair out, get in the shower first, and wash it because it has been probably about 4 or 5 days since I've washed it last. It looks so bad. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna hop in the shower and use all my favorite products. Let's get into it. Let's go from this to something a little bit more fabulous. Oh, also I have my coffee too because can't be without it. I'm about to get in the shower. I've brushed my hair out. I always brush my hair out before I get in the shower. It just kind of helps get those like nightly tangles out before you start washing your hair. And I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what I use in the shower because I'm not gonna film myself in the shower. That's just not how I do things around here. I'm gonna share with you the products that I use. Most of you already know because I've been using these for years. But I'm super excited because this video is sponsored by Briogeo. So thank you so much. I love this brand. I have been using them, you guys, for so long. If you've been watching me, you know this. And I always buy the gallon sizes of their products because I'm obsessed with them. Also, before I get into it, if you guys want to try out Briogeo and these products that I'm talking to you about and you haven't had a chance to, I do have a 20% off coupon code that is going to be active for a limited time. So I'll leave a link down below. All you have to do is use the code Casey, or you can use the code Holiday. It doesn't matter. They both have 20% off. So up to you. Yeah, I know it's very hard to get these kind of products on sale, so now's the time. I hope you guys are excited, and if you haven't had a chance to try them out, now is. The products that I like to use, we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. This one is really great. It is a moisturizing shampoo. It's not gonna dry out your hair. I use this, I wash my hair twice with it. That's because I have so much dry shampoo in my hair, like after 4 or 5 days. I need a super intense cleanse, you know? So I always just double cleanse with my shampoos no matter what it is. And Briogeo is great because they are free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens, and it doesn't weigh down my hair, which is essential. I already have like an oily scalp and I do not need products that are gonna weigh down my hair. And I don't need things that have unnecessary products in them. So I love Briogeo for that they are free of all those things. And then I also use the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This one is so great because it is not heavy again, but it is nice and moisturizing. This is awesome. Obviously you can see I buy like all the gallon tubs. They're just the best. This product is great, but they did just come out with this little guy and it's like this times 10. So this one is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. So it is the deep conditioning mask. So this one is infused with unpasteurized honey. So that honey is going to lock in that moisture, strengthen your hair. This is great if you do have extensions. This is just a super intense mask. So this is one that I like to use every other week. So I just switched them out with the other deep conditioning mask that I use. This smells so good, you guys. Oh my god, I cannot. And a little bit does go a long way since it is really intense in moisture. You don't have to use a lot of this product. I've used this multiple times, like a ton, and I'm only down to here, which is insane. I know you see this bottle and you're like, that's little. No, you need a little amount with this product. It's the best. It does have other like B vitamins and oils in here that is gonna help strengthen your hair, keep it nice and moisturized. It's great because I blow dry my hair and I don't have any frizz. Like everything blows out really nice and smooth, which is another reason why I love these products. Like I can blow dry and then I can go and not even have to curl my hair because it's just nice and smooth. So I love this product. If you're looking for a really nice deep conditioning mask and you need something that's pretty intense, this is the product for you. This little bear, this little guy, he's gonna make sure that you're moisturized and that your hair is looking good. And it's gonna look good for days because honestly, your hair does not feel dry whatsoever. Definitely try this product out if you have the chance. If you love this mask, you gotta give this one a try because it is phenomenal. It is so, so, so good. So thank you again, Briogeo, for sponsoring this video. Again, I do have another product that I'll show you guys that I use from them once I get out of the shower. If you do want 20% off, use code Holiday or Casey. I'll have that link below. And thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited, honestly. Like, I'm obsessed with them. I actually will probably use the 20% off to buy my own gallon jugs again and another one of these because, listen, when you can get a discount, you get that discount. Doesn't happen often. So you gotta get it when it's there. Okay, now I'm in the shower. I let my hair air dry for just a little bit. So it's a little bit drier on the ends. So now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair out, and then I'm gonna put some product in here to help with any frizz and just kind of smoothing out the hair. It kind of depends on what I wanna do with my hair for the day, you know, like what kind of style I want. Normally, if I'm blow drying, if I'm washing my hair, doing everything in the same day, I'm gonna keep it straight. because I don't want to curl it all, but like today's a birthday, so I'm like, maybe I should do something to it. So I actually think I'm gonna try out my waver. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of wavers, to be honest with you, but I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna go in and just brush all this out. My hair has gotten so long. I do have extensions in, but the length is like my length. Like this is how long my hair is. So I'm just gonna hold different areas because I am tender-headed. And we'll get this side and then we'll move forward. Also, whenever I'm self-tanning, I always do my hair first. That way I don't get like anything wet on my self-tanner, because then it looks splotchy and really weird. Like usually I do this at night when I put Mason down for bed. I do it like at 9 p.m. and that way I have like a full time to do it. But I was just, we were putting up Christmas decorations last night and I couldn't like be bothered with like washing my hair. So I was like, I'll wait till the morning. I also had to take like a major snack break because I was so hungry after I got out of the shower. This is like really information you probably don't care about, but I'm just telling you how my day is going so far. Now I'm going to use the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. This is the blow dry protection and frizz cream. This is really good because it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So whatever kind of hot tools you're using, this will help protect your hair against that. I think it's super important to have products in your hair that helped against heat, humidity, different things like that. I like this because I am not the type of person who will use a bunch of stuff in their hair after they get out of the shower. I'm like, 1 or 2 products and I'm done. This is actually an Allure Reader's Choice Award winner. This says 2018, but I'm pretty sure they won in 2019 too. This is great. Again, it has no sulfates, silicones, parabens, and it has rosehip, argan, and coconut oils, so it helps reduce frizz, smooth hair, and enhance shine. And like I said, 450 because that's important. So I don't take a lot of this. I just take this much, which I have a lot of hair. If you don't have as much hair as me, you don't need this much. But I rub it kind of like in between my fingers like this because I like to put my fingers through my hair. And I'll just put it all on the ends. I also meant to tell you guys, when I apply conditioner, I don't ever apply it above my ears. It's always from my ears down. That's because I do have such oily hair, but if you have dry hair, I'm pretty sure you can get away with having it up here. I take whatever's left and kind of just coat up here too. So again, I'll have a link below and you can get 20% off this as well if you want to use those codes. So now I'm going to go ahead, blow dry my hair, get it together, and then we're going to self-tan. Let's blow dry. So my hair is nice and dry now. You can see how long it is. It's so shiny. That shampoo and conditioner always just keeps my hair super shiny. Now I'm in my beauty room. I'm about to do my makeup and I'm gonna just speed through this and just show you guys each product that I use because I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my eyes or anything. I'm gonna stick with my Tati beauty palette. I do want to show you guys each product that I'm using because like I've gone back to my face tape, obsessed with this. Born This Way concealer. I'm just going to show you what everything looks like and using these new products that I really do love. Like these are pretty bomb. So anyways, I'm going to turn on some music and put you guys in a somewhat of a fast forward, but let you guys see each product as they go along. So let's get into it.
finished makeup look for today. I just did something really easy, just a little bit smoky, a little bit of a wing with the matte black in Tati's palette because it is insane. Her matte black is like flop, crazy. I don't know what that sound was, but you catch my drift. But now I'm gonna go downstairs, finish up my hair, put on the outfit, and then I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit, and that'll be it for this video. A full on get ready with me head to toe. I haven't done one of these in so long, but I hope you guys like it. I hope you like the makeup look. I really like it. I think everything looks really good, nice and smooth, looking nice and glowy as well, and I love all the products that I did use. So let's go finish up the look. So it is actually the next day. I didn't even go out for my birthday last night. I stayed home and was hanging out with family. I wanted to show you guys what I would have done with my hair. I've showed this so many times, so I didn't want to do like a full-on tutorial. Even when I was going to do it yesterday, I wouldn't have done a full-on tutorial. But I'll show you quickly how I curl my hair. I've already done one side. This takes me like no time at all because I don't section it, anything. I'm going to show you quickly how I do it. I think this is a tapered wand. I think it's like 1 inch and then a little bit lower at the bottom. I literally do all curls away from my face. Do about maybe 1 inch or 2 in sections. Kind of depends. This wand does get really hot. I take it up to about 430 degrees. But you can feel when it gets super hot and like your hair is hot and then you want to take it off, and then that's the curl. I leave out a lot at the bottom too, just because I like the length aspect, like it adds more length and it also kind of tones it down a little bit. So I do that all over my hair. Super easy, nothing crazy. I also just did the makeup look that I did yesterday. I did a little bit more dramatic today, but I really liked it yesterday and I wanted to recreate it because I'm about to film again. And I'll show you guys like a quick little outfit that I would have wore yesterday, even though I wore a really cute one. Well, it was cute to me, but it was very comfy for being at home. I wore my SPANX faux leather leggings. They're so comfortable. They're really cute, but they're comfortable and it looks like you actually tried. And then I wore like an oversized sweatshirt. That was what I was gonna wear yesterday anyways if we would have gone out and did stuff, but I just ended up staying home. We watched Mickey's Christmas. Is that what it is? I don't know. It's on Disney Plus. You know, I don't get off Disney Plus. We were watching that and Mason was laughing. I'll try to insert a clip in here because it was so cute. He was just having so much fun. And like some of his really good laughs I didn't even get on camera, but he just was cracking up. I think he's gonna be a Disney kid. I don't know. I mean, he has to be a Disney kid. We gotta go to Disney World and do all the Disney things, you know? But he was cracking up at like Donald Duck and Goofy. It was just so funny. This is all I do is I just curl everything away from my face. I leave it on there for a few seconds and then I take it off because it does not take long to curl the hair, and I have really long hair and I don't have a problem with this wand. I also, when I curl it, I like to have it like flat between my fingers, if that makes sense, and then when I roll it flat as well. I don't roll it like all crumbled up, which I'll show you the difference. So this is a flat. So this is the way I'm talking about, because some people twist the hair as it goes over the wand. I don't like doing that because then it like looks very uniformed. This is also too thin of a piece for me, but some people will take it and just like wrap it. I don't like that. I have to have mine flat to the barrel, and then that's what makes it more loose and kind of like effortless and like beachy after a few days. And my curls do last for days. I don't really have to touch them up. The only thing I ever have to touch up is my front pieces, like my bangs, and I'll just touch them up a little bit to be a little bit more curled. So this is it. I don't use hairspray or anything like that. So I just curl it. I feel it for when it's hot because this wand does get really hot. And then move on to the next section, and then I do brush it out with a brush. This is just a random one that I got from Ulta. I don't even know who this is. A random round brush. That is it. And like I said, I don't have sections. I just pick and choose my pieces and roll it flat. I get a ton of questions, but I've shown it a lot and it doesn't really change. I'm trying to get a waver that I like. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me use a waver for the first time and it was tragic. I'm gonna try to master the waver, but no promises. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you really quickly what it looks like after I'm done curling. This is that side done. And you can see like rolling them flat, it just kind of just doesn't make them as curled, I guess, which I don't really like super, super intense curls. I like more relaxed
curls like this one, just kind of like bouncy, easy curls. So I just go ahead and brush through my hair, and that is it. That is all of my hair. If I'll notice some pieces that could use a little oomph, like this could probably use a little bit of oomph because this side is intense and I touched it up. I'm just gonna touch this up really quickly. Again, rolling it flat. I also don't ever roll my hair like this. I always do it vertical. I don't know if that makes a difference. I feel like it does, especially with bangs and like the front of your face when you're framing it. If you hold your curling iron more vertical, then it won't be so harsh. And we're done. I'm going to show you guys the outfit that I would wear if I was going out for my B-day. I'm all for an all black outfit. I think I wear all black a lot of the times for my birthday. I can't remember. But also don't mind my room. I have been working my tail off, so it's a disaster in here, but about to clean it up. I promise you. I'll clean it up tomorrow. But this is what I'm wearing. It's a little bit more of an expensive outfit, but I'm not sure if you can even get some of these stuff because I've had them for years. This one is just a Fendi sweater. Again, I don't know if you can get this. I got it a couple years ago, but it covers your tush and I love that about it. And then I know you can get these still. These are the SPANX faux leather MOTO leggings. Guys, these are so good. I'm actually so into leather leggings. I have a couple pair. I wore a pair of the SPANX faux leather leggings yesterday, but they weren't the MOTO kind. They were just regular because I love pairing them with like super casual outfits. It's just like a little pop of fun. I have a couple pair of them and they're just so cute. So I've had these MOTO ones for I think like a year or so now. I think I may have got them in a Nordstrom anniversary sale. I can't remember. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing these Louboutins that I got when I used to live at my house in Georgia. If you guys remember my very first house. If you guys have been with me that long on my vlog channel, I'm pretty sure I unboxed these on a vlog and I was so excited about them and I still love them. I think they are the cutest shoes and I don't know, I'm obsessed. Like I love the edginess of them and it's just fun to like spice up an outfit. They're super sleek too. And the red bottoms go along with the red. See what I did there? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing me kind of like get through and get ready for the day. Let me know what you guys thought down below in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.